Jakarta Nightlife Safety Tips and Advice. "90% people only watch videos, don't subscribe. Please, I request you to subscribe our channel." While Jakarta is generally considered a safe city for tourists, it's essential to take some precautions and be aware of your surroundings when enjoying the nightlife. Here are some safety tips to ensure a fun and safe night out. Stay in well-traveled areas, stick to popular nightlife districts, and avoid wandering into unfamiliar or poorly lit areas, especially late at night. Watch your drinks. Keep an eye on your drinks at all times to prevent drink spiking. If you suspect something is wrong with your drink, discard it immediately and inform the staff. Travel with friends. Whenever possible, explore the nightlife with a group of friends. There's safety in numbers, and it's more enjoyable to share the experience with others. The Jakarta nightlife scene remains lively throughout the year, with the exception of a brief pause during Ramadan. Nightclubs generally operate from midnight to 4 a.m., with a few exceptions. Similar to other cities worldwide, clubs are busiest on Fridays, Saturdays, and to some extent, Wednesdays. After the clubs close, you can continue the party by renting a karaoke room. The finest karaoke venues resemble small nightclubs, complete with laser lights and high-quality sound systems. Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to stop missing out on future videos and fantastic information.